Hey, everybody. Can you hear me? Sorry, I'm a minute late. I had some technical difficulties there getting the stream going. We got a small but mighty crew today. Let's see where we can get. If you're here, let me know in the chat. Tell me where you're calling in from. If anyone was here yesterday, let me know, and we'll get cruising in just a minute. All right. I expect this to be a bit of a less attended stream, just because of the fact that it's on a Friday afternoon. Okay, cool. Well, let's see what we can do today. I know we don't have a ton of people here right now, but that's okay. This is going to be a daily stream where I would work on this anyway, and I'm just going to kind of give you guys, like I said, an inside look at what it takes to develop an e-commerce store live. And hold on, I'm going to mess with my camera a little bit because it looks like a little um, saturated almost here. Let's see if we can tone that down a bit. That's better. Were any of you here yesterday during the initial stream? And if not, I'll catch you up to where we're at the store. I think there's like a minute delay between the chats, so I'm just going to give it a second here. All right, cool. Well, I'll show you what I have so far. Share my screen. So yesterday we started working on, we did a few things. First, we started this doc, which I'm going to pull up in a minute here. We put together this little skeleton guide here on what we're going to try to tackle over the next couple of days. We made a Shopify account. We made a Kilo account with the KiloClaw and kind of got that set up. We started working in the VS Code extension. We don't have code reviews or CLI set up yet, or we're not doing anything there. And we have the storefront design getting started. And we kind of introduced our KiloClaw and told it what it would be helping us with, but we don't actually have any automation set up yet. So we said it'd be our assistant during development. It would do customer service for us, and it might do some code maintenance review and community monitoring. And basically what we did yesterday is we started creating this storefront. So maybe we can actually just run that locally just to see what we got here. Let's see, make sure we're in the right file here. How did I run that last time? Let's see. We can just ask how to run locally. Okay. There we go. So let's run that. All right, so this is what we have right now. It's not the best, but it got somewhere. So we have the Kilo logo, we have like the dark theme, we have the hoodie, the fake data, or the fake items. We have a shopping cart here, and let's just test what happens when we add something to the cart. Okay, add to cart. Okay, so it's already got this kind of stripe set up here, which is cool. So I think the next step, according to our doc here, is to hook up some kind of print-on-demand integration. I know Shopify has integrations with things like Printify, print-on-demand, Shopify integrations. Let's get past the ads. Is there? Okay, looks like there may be a Shopify print-on-demand, like a native thing. Let's try that. Sign in. Okay. How do we find print on demand? Search that again. Now that we're signed in. Oh, I'm not sharing my screen anymore. Okay. So right now I'm just trying to find. All right. So for anyone who just joined or is joining late, I'm setting up the print on demand section. So we already have this really basic skeleton on the site, but I want to actually get our real products in here instead of the mock products so that we can actually see what the design looks like for real. Let's see. Let me add our own product. No. Products. Let's add let's try to search for like a Printify thing in the Shopify App Store. Okay, I think Printify is a pretty predominant Shopify app for this use case. Okay, install. Oh, my screen share keeps cutting out. Sorry about that. If anyone has any, also this is like a collaborative thing. So if anyone has any tips or thinks I'm going in the wrong direction, just like let me know and I'll adjust as you demand me to. Because this is I'm gonna open source as much as I can in the end. So the site itself obviously won't be able to include the backend details, but I'll probably be able to front end the I'll probably be able to open source the front end so people could even contribute if they want once it's in a Git repo. Okay, cool. So we have Shopify on demand loading. And let's jump back over to VS Code here and see if we can start adding some more features. So yesterday I think the first thing we need to do is change this icon in the top so that it's not this hydrogen logo and it's the Kilo logo. Use the Kilo logo, same one as in the top left as the browser icon. It's in code. I have to put it in. I'm in ask mode for my previous session, so I'm actually going to put it in code mode and ask that again. Okay, cool. Let's check on our store here. Still loading. I'm gonna refresh. Okay, cool. So now we can make a hey, Cocoa Fire. If anyone's joining late, I'm basically yesterday I set up some basic stuff, like got the initial Shopify store up using their like developer site. Essentially, we're gonna work off that. I also created a KiloClaw to be my assistant, and right now we're setting up the print on demand stuff so that we can actually um, have real products. So let's sign up here. Okay, cool. So we're going to create merch for a business. No experience. How much time do you plan to put on? It's for the company I work for. And we're coming in as, I guess we're a content creator right now, right? What are the other options? I guess more so represent on business. We'll pick the US for now, but maybe we'll change that later. How did I hear about it? I think just from word of mouth. I think Printify is like a pretty popular print on demand tool. Yeah, and again, I don't know anything about running an e-commerce business, but that's kind of the point of this project, is to show that even when you don't know anything about building something, you can still do it using all of these tools that we have. So I'm actually going to bring on a special guest. And I know it's a Friday afternoon, so I'm super grateful for all of the 8 people that are here right now with me. This is going to be like a nightly series, so I expect the attendance to fluctuate depending on the time and day. But the main point of this is for me to have documented the whole entire build of this. I'm not going to touch it when I'm not on live stream, so that all of this will be documented on YouTube. If anyone wants to go through and see, follow along with how to basically orchestrate a agentic coding. I mean, a e-commerce store using agentic coding tools. So I'm going to bring on my good friend and Kilo colleague Alessia, who's our chief of staff, because she's been doing the swag for us. What's up? You're muted, I think.
Yeah, hey everyone. Hey everyone. Indeed. The future everyone who's watching
Wait,
it, not
hold on.
just
I
the
think you're
folks.
still muted, unless other
Oh
people. Oh
no.
wait, no,
Hey?
you're good now.
Okay.
Let me put my headphones
Okay.
in real quick.
Okay, yeah, no worries. Um, yeah, all right. Well, I'm gonna be
Okay,
uh featured on the
because
first ever
I
Kilo
muted
show.
myself so that I could like have the live stream up and be paying attention to the chat without hearing it. But I just have to go and mute those things.
Can you confirm you can hear me though?
I can hear you. Yeah.
Okay, cool. All right, well, hey everyone, one more time. Uh How's it been going? I saw that you got pretty far in just like 1 hour yesterday, so
Yeah,
that's
not bad,
exciting.
right? I mean, I didn't really lift a finger. It was all Kilo, but I just dumped everything I did know about e-commerce building into Kilo, which was basically that there you could spin up a developer site, and they had this, I don't even know, I think it's an SDK or similar, called Hydrogen. That's like a starting point for building Shopify stores locally. So
Yeah,
that's what I did. But now we're at this keeps unsharing my screen. We're at this stage where we're actually maybe going to connect some real products, because the existing, sorry, I'm getting over a cold, so my nose is like kind of stuffy, but
no
the
worries.
existing site has a bunch of this goofy mock data here.
I like the green. It's a good contrast color to our
Yeah, and
black and
everything
yellow, I
everything
guess.
else is like sold out. Sold out.
Do you, because one of the hardest things that I found is to have a global, well, actually a manufacturer who can ship that can ship globally, but that would have like a consistent quality
Yeah.
across the world, or like a big enough distribution network. So like, but usually things like shipping like stickers to a remote location is just like, incredibly expensive. So I'd rather have like cool swag items that would justify the shipping fees, and then we could throw in some stickers on top. That's kind of my my
Yeah.
approach.
I like that.
Um,
Maybe we could ask
I
Claw, like,
Yeah.
oh, go ahead.
No, no, no. Yeah, go ahead.
To say, what are the best print on demand Shopify integrations for high quality drop shipped clothing with global shipping support? Maybe we'll
Yeah,
see what
that's
it
a good
comes up
one.
with.
I do know about micro merch. Maybe you can look into that one and see if they
Micro.
have it. They should have an integration in Shopify, as far as I know. A little bird told me that another brand has done a lot of research and kind of landed with them. So I'm curious if that's something we can test out as well.
Oh, cool.
No, I think it's one word.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
No
nothing.
app, but
Okay.
maybe they. Oh, I think you
I
need. It looks like you need to like file to
Yeah.
work with them.
Yeah, looks like it's a bit more of involved. Yeah, that whole project also involved a whole bunch of custom development. So maybe we can do something smaller or easier for this one.
Okay. Yeah. Maybe I'll submit the form just to see if this evolves. We want to switch providers. But
See if they are on kilo speed and they can reply
yeah,
during the
in
live
the
stream.
hour.
And that would be a good match. I would trust those guys.
Yeah, me too. Let's
Um,
submit the form. Why not? All
oh
right.
my
Cool.
God.
Well, yeah.
Just a complete tangent, but I was at the Stripe Sessions conference, and there was Nat Friedman on one of the panel talks,
Yeah.
and this like replying within an hour reminded me of the story that Nat Friedman shared. Essentially, how he was trying to order like some piece of equipment, some hardware for like a project he was tinkering with, and something went wrong, and like he started he thought of reaching out to the support team, but then he had like I believe he used Cloud Code, maybe another agent. So he used that to actually reverse engineer that piece of equipment based off some like research papers that it could find,
Yeah.
and actually it solved it solved
Oh,
the
really?
issue faster
No way.
than anyone could ever, like even get to see that email. And so he was like, sorry, I was gonna buy the thing, but then ended up
That's funny.
yeah,
That's really funny. I feel like that's
here's
gonna
the eye
start
for you.
happening more. Yeah. There goes my
Yeah,
screen again. I don't know what's going on with that.
yeah, it does disappear.
Let me see if it's a settings thing. Um,
I can see it again. So you're in the chat. Okay,
okay.
Printful, Printify. Yep.
Looks like, okay, those are the top two. Why choose Printful over Printify? Concise answer.
Make no mistakes.
Yeah.
Cover all countries, including, I don't know. I had to ship something to Venezuela recently, and it was not an easy process because of the politics.
Yeah. Makes sense.
So,
I mean, we want our Kilo community members in freaking North Korea to have a shirt if they want. So,
right?
yeah.
That's what I mean. Like it has to cover all, like Antarctica.
Yeah. Antarctica. Exactly.
Oh, we could design a kilo flag. How about that? That's an
and
idea.
plant it there
So
on the moon.
yeah, yeah. Well, let's start with like North Pole, and then for the next moon expedition, we can like work
Yeah.
some connections.
All right, cool. Okay, so it looks like Printify is faster and in better quality, and it owns all of its factories. So that's pretty compelling to me. Maybe we'll try that instead. We'll install that to our store. And I got to say, the Shopify backend is like pretty intuitive because I'm just like clicking buttons and stuff is working out. So
Yeah, I think. I mean, there's like their whole agencies that spawned out of the Shopify ecosystem, like
yeah.
building websites and services and whatnot. So
Oh, this is nice. Do you think men's clothing is like also unisex, probably?
yeah,
Or is
I
there
like
like,
how hats is a separate category. Can we do both,
yeah,
or
let's
you
do
would have
both.
to? Let's do both. Yeah,
Let's start with men's because that's what I know. Should we just do a t-shirt first, maybe?
yeah. Let's do a t-shirt.
Okay. Well, I got a lot of stuff.
Look at that onboarding. They want to, they want you to feel close to the final product.
I know. All right.
Heavyweight.
I do like a
Okay,
heavy.
well, I know the Bella canvas is like the absolute like basic unisex option, but I do like the idea that like one thing that always annoys me about those unisex t-shirts is they just by default are long because they are,
Yeah.
made to fit like most body types. But
Uh-huh.
like as someone who's not very tall, I always like either have to like tuck them in or ideally
They
even
are
like
long.
cut it, yeah, cut and trim. And I would love to have like a crop version and maybe like just a basic or like a regular version.
I also like
um
a cropped tee. Yeah, let's make this like actually really cool merch that's like stylish.
I like
Right.
that. I
Yeah.
also like when it's a little bit loose, because then
Yeah.
again I feel like you have more options to style it.
Me too.
um Wait, yeah, I think that was a good one on the previous one. Yeah, either so not like the slim fit, but the slightly either, yeah, the heavyweight or
I mean, there's the oversized, but that could be insane.
yeah, that could be insane. Yeah, no, keep scrolling. I think I saw a good one later.
Oxy tee or
To Oh, and here's actually a unisex option, it looks like. Creator vintage
let's check this
Stanley
out.
Stella. Oh, that does look like pretty good quality.
What's the can we get some dimensions on here?
Fabric, rib, organic, 190. Yeah, I mean, I'm not that deep into it, but I do know that like basically the fabric thickness, we can compare it, right? So this is like 190 grams per square meter.
Yeah.
And then other options might be thinner or thicker. Maybe the heavyweight one is even more like weighs even more, which does impact like how heavy every package is. So we gotta strike the right balance.
Yeah. Is this the heavyweight? Yeah. Okay,
Oh,
so
it's
that's 206. That's long as
yeah,
hell.
it is long as hell. Okay.
I, f- I don't know. I feel
Well, yeah, what's this one? Yeah, I'm curious.
that looks a little more. It still looks kind of long though, but like a little bit more proportional.
Ooh, that's even
That's
heavier.
heavy. Whoa. Should
Oh,
we try
it
this?
cut it
Oh
cut
no. What
out again.
the heck? Okay. All right. Let me see if
This
there's a way.
one.
Yeah. Should we
It is
try
on
with
the,
this one?
I would say
Okay.
it's on the pricier end in terms of like the original price. Yeah. But we could have like a heavy like premium and then like a more kind of everyday wear as well, right? We can do whatever we want.
Yeah, let's start with this one because it's maybe the coolest. Unless you think I kind of like the boxy look for a tee. I feel like
I do
it'll
like
be
a boxy,
wider. Yeah.
like the boxy look too.
Okay.
All right. Do you want help with the
Yeah.
logo SVGs?
Let's what's like the coolest, what's the best way we could do this? What was that logo? This might be weird for the first one, but do you remember like the logo that we were going to use for the skateboard, or like that crazy, do you have this
Mm.
like the ones that you use for stickers?
Oh, we can start with a kitty one. I have that
That
one.
one is good.
I can pull that one. The if I fit it's one. Yeah,
Yeah.
okay. So let me export it real quick. What do you want? Do you need it in? Is it an SVG, a PNG? It's kind of
I
hard
feel
to
like
tell, right?
PNG is pretty universal.
But it would not really scale. I guess we'll just export it, right? We're in the building mode, so who knows what
Yeah, we'll try.
the best resolution is. Okay, let
It'd
me pull
probably
this
give
up.
us a warning if it was bad.
And it doesn't give you the formats, right? When you click on upload.
Let's see what it accepts. It's definitely accepts PNG. It doesn't even
Can you
accept
type
SVG.
like? Oh,
See, this is an
okay, cool. All
SVG.
right.
Yeah.
Okay, good to know. Let me then. So let me try to. Do you like it when with the phrase or without the phrase? Like if it fits, I commits is the phrase. I can show you the difference. Well, I can
Yeah.
drop both, and we can play with that. Okay, so let's do the highest quality PNG in this case. Um, and does it only allow you to do it like in the middle? Does it where it's
I don't
a bit
know. I think
unclear?
maybe if we upload, that'll also maybe we should check Printify after to see if they have better shirts styles too. Like if they
Yeah, I
have
mean
like a,
usually, yeah.
yeah, go ahead.
Oh, like you mean the actual like box, what we were selecting before?
Yeah, or if they have like a better designer or something that could make me switch over to them, maybe.
Yeah, design is tricky. Usually you like work with, or something we did before, you work with like a designer, then you have like a template that they expect you to use for like the custom design, and that usually
Yeah.
gets you to like a better place. Here. So these kitty stickers are in your Slack.
Okay.
Once my internet compiles. I was gonna say, well, yeah, looks like it's still processing. Those are pretty heavy images.
Yeah, no worries. Let's check. Let's just give our agents a task while we're waiting. Let's say like do an end-to-end front end quality control sweep of this site. Add modern UI design best practices. See what it does. Okay, I got them.
Cool.
This is gonna make a good t-shirt.
I know they're cute. Someone I met up with one of our partners, and they like immediately peeled off the sticker and put it on their computer. I'm like,
Oh yeah.
yes.
All right, it's uploading. I'm gonna check out while we're here. I'm gonna
Oh,
check out. Yeah.
And I have the Kilo Code League one as well, right? The one with like a trophy.
Oh,
That's
that's
probably the
weird.
one you were thinking originally, right? With the uh
Well,
let's
remember
see.
there's like those other kind of funky stickers that were like greenish.
Yeah, that's the one
Okay,
I'm
okay,
gonna
cool.
send it to you right away.
Still loading. Look what I have on my desk, actually.
Nice. Wait, your
I
screen
know. I
share cut
just
out
saw that.
again. Yeah. Okay, wait,
Yeah,
is
that
it
one is
like,
good.
do you think the file is too big?
It
Do you
may
want me
be.
to make it smaller?
Well, I can. I should. Let's try this one while we're here.
Yeah.
Oh, that one is uploading.
Okay, cool. I just wanted you wanted to follow your original idea. Okay, hopefully.
I can make them smaller though myself if I just screenshot. This is my. Actually, no, that won't work because it's no background.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I know. Let me just
Okay.
re-export it. I think I just did the 4x PNG and I can do a smaller
Okay.
one. Here and
So for those of you who haven't seen it yet, this is the. These are the designs we're thinking. This is one, which I think is pretty cool. It's like punk, and then this is the a very popular sticker at events that we go to. It was like a meme originally. Like if what was the meme? I'm gonna make you say it.
well, if I sits, I fits, and then the cat is like in a in
Yeah.
the tiniest box, and it's just the cat sticking out. So yeah, this is for all of the people who have been committing changes to our PRs and
Yeah.
to the project.
And if any of you watching are in New York, you can come get one. I have like 1,000 of these. Someday you'll be able to get a shirt though from this store.
And a sticker on top, hopefully. It's
Yeah.
okay. They are not um,
I'll try the small
weird.
file.
Yeah, this should be much smaller for its appetite,
I feel like it may
hopefully.
be a weird printify thing.
Or it just froze. Yeah.
Yeah. Let's try. Let's try. Let's try printify. That was printful. Wait, what are we in right now? We're in printful, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's try. Well, this is loading. I don't know if it'll ever actually work, but let's try printify.
Weird. Because I don't like, a gig of an image. They're just like high quality images. That's just probably what you want for your t-shirts.
Yeah. Right. Okay. So this menu isn't as good in my opinion, but this looks like
Sure. Yeah,
kind of
that's the
similar.
boxy tee.
See if there's like a boxy cropped. No. Okay, so it's a simpler. Everything is okay. This is pretty. This we have some more options here. Maybe.
Mm.
How do we change the color?
Mm, how it works. I think maybe you go into there's edit preview and then there's like a kind of on the right side. Wait, and then there's this like other button. Does it do anything? Yeah. Oh, see
Oh,
colors. Okay,
nice.
cool.
Yeah,
Oh yeah, size is perfect. Okay, at least we got the color. I'm so glad we at some point just picked black for our brand colors, by the way.
so much easier.
This is yeah, this is a pro tip. Also, pro tip guys, never gradients are already kind of out of fashion, but Even if you use a gradient on your website, never use a gradient for any of your printed, like your logos, kind of like your brand images that you are intending to print, because
Yeah.
gradient and print is equals headache always. Also, never really, or like really hard to get it to look like as you see on the web, right? Because of
Yeah,
just like physical limitations. Oh,
for sure.
look at the
That's pretty
kitty.
good. All right. Like what this is saying, it's about 4 inches, which would be like, yeah, I feel like maybe like 3.5. Does that
Yeah.
look good?
I feel like it could go a little lower.
A little
Or,
lower.
oh, yeah, like kind of like imagine where the pocket is, like if it were picking out of the pocket. Oh, it cut out again. Damn
Oh
it.
man. All right, I got you.
Oh, that would be cute. I don't know how to do that, but if we could like,
If there was a pocket,
if there was a pocket, yeah.
that would be pretty good.
Uh, but okay,
That's
this is
advanced.
close enough. It is
Okay.
advanced.
I feel like that's pretty good. Should there be a back or would that?
We can start with it. Do you want to make it a little bigger, or it is? No, I think it's actually,
Well, it's 3.5 inches, which is like,
yeah,
I feel like that's a
not
pretty
small.
big logo. Yeah.
Sounds fair. That's fair. Even though the logo itself on it, it's like tiny, tiny. But this is how I like the merch to like just be a nod
But I was thinking like
to
we
the
could
brand.
do, I have it somewhere. We could do the like Kilo logo on the back, but the one that's not this one.
Just the, do you want the yellow on like basically transparent? Like,
Yeah, and I
oh,
have it
this one.
somewhere.
Oh, I can also pull it up for you.
I've downloaded it like 1,000 times, so I want to try to find it real quick.
The thing is that we actually have a folder in our shared Google Drive. I don't know if you knew, but
I do,
they're
but
all there
I always just end up downloading it again from Figma.
again and again.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, wait, but will that accept an SVG?
No, I think it'll have to
No,
be
a PNG too.
so I
Okay.
just had it.
Well,
Oh, here we go. Here we go.
oh,
That's
nice.
yeah.
Yeah.
That's kind of cool.
It is cool. Do you think it's a good enough quality though? That's my concern.
Um,
Mm.
it does say the resolution will be enhanced, so that maybe means it's not good quality.
Yeah, okay. See, 30 to 300 DPI. Okay, I think I can actually control the DPI somehow. Um, okay, let me send you one more version
Okay.
of this.
Okay.
Yeah,
Has to be a PNG, I think, though.
yeah. I made it a PNG. Not sure about the DPI, but it looks like it's a little better. You got it in Slack, I think.
Okay. Checking right now. Let's remove that.
Yeah, the vector went medium resolution. Wait, it's still. Okay, so this was 90. Interesting. I could make it.
Looks like we're going with Printify. Printful's still trying to upload.
Make this. Okay, wait. I can make this one, and let's do what if that makes a difference. Do you want to say kilo? Like we have this kind of basically that, but with the words kilo. I want to keep it sneaky.
I kind of like this one. It's kind of a cool back of the shirt, I think. Unless you, I mean, it's up to you though.
Yeah, I don't know about like the center. Do we have folks commenting? Is that do they
No
want it
one's,
in the center or the
yeah, no one said anything, so maybe not.
Can you just humor me and try the
Yeah,
last file? Because then I feel like we might get to that 300 DPI
yeah.
without like relying on the web
It's this one, I
um,
think.
enhancement. Yeah, sorry, should have given it a better. Yeah, I think it's the two.
150. Oh, if I have to make it smaller, then it's good.
Oh, interesting.
Do you want to?
Yeah, I like it. Yeah, something like that. That's pretty cool.
Yeah. Is that our first product? I think so. All right, let's.
Yeah, we could add like Kilo AI underneath if we wanted to actually direct people to the website, but up to you.
Getting an issue here. I don't know what that means.
Please reload.
I feel like we're gonna lose everything.
Oh no.
Oh no, we're good.
Oh, okay, cool.
Oh, they have like AI mock-ups. Does that look a little low?
Low, yeah, I was about to say. Let's see it on the lady. Yeah, it looks like it's drooping a little
Yeah,
bit, so I'd
let's
say
edit that. Maybe like,
that's handy.
let's see what it looks like in like the corner. And then like I feel like those
Yeah.
lines mean something. So let's just try that.
Let's trust the AI to
Yeah.
give us.
Uh,
Okay.
is that too far to the left?
Maybe, yeah. I would say maybe the line is good, like the height. Just move it a little closer to the. Oh, that one's
Yeah,
good though.
that's good.
Yeah, that was good to me. Fun. A lot of loading. Okay.
I think it looks good.
Maybe something changed.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, I think it is a little less to the left. Just,
But she's also
do you
standing at
like the
an angle.
size?
Yeah, I think so. Should we add text actually under this or
I mean, you can, do you want to use the other one with like if I fits, or you just want to say Kilo
like
AI?
Kilo AI maybe? Let's see if they have
Okay, let me see.
oh nice. They have our text.
Oh, it even picked up, or you've uploaded this
I
the
I didn't upload
fonts.
it. They just had it.
Wow.
Oh no.
Oh, it might not be in well, maybe white then, right? White would be the best. Like the
Yeah, how do I change? Oh, we can do you have the
ooh, I do. The exact one is FA F7 4F. FA F7 4F. Might not look as expected when printed. Yeah, thing is like a lot of these are they will get like an approximation depending on like what kind of like colors are pre-wired in the printer or something like that. So it might not be that one specifically, unfortunately.
should we try to match it to is there Maybe we could like,
Ooh, yeah, we could do that. It's a little brighter.
at least then it'll be
I
the
mean,
same.
I could also, yeah, maybe I could also add it directly to the image. That would probably make the most sense. And then, because then I feel like the image, they can't really modify too much.
Yeah.
Okay, let me see if I can pull this off real quick.
Text looks that I do think that looks better with the text.
It does look better. It looks it looks more, yeah, finished. That is very true. Okay. I mean, yeah. Do you want to just give like continue with it and
Yeah.
then uh
Let's try to
let's
get
see how quickly we can get this shipped.
yeah.
Yeah.
I think maybe still a little bit this way. I don't know. Just a hair.
No, that makes sense. Yeah. Does Kilo AI look a little um should it be in white to just stand out a little more? Like for the contrast?
That looks good.
Or you like the yellow?
Yeah, no, we can
Yeah.
try white. Let's bold it.
Oh, yeah, I like the bold. Or maybe even just bolding it could make
Ooh,
it look better.
I
Oh,
actually think that looks good.
yeah. I'm just worried that the yellow we've put in is not
Yeah.
gonna be the yellow that comes out.
I think that's pretty good. What do you think?
Yeah, I like how the white outline kind of mirrors the text. So,
I want to get
and
maybe one other one hoodie in right now, and then we can try to get them actually added to the site because we only have like 10 minutes left.
I mean, do you want to just add this
Yeah,
one
sure,
for
sure.
now? Like to actually, yeah, let's like try to, I don't know. It would be so fun to already like order it. I don't know if that's realistic,
Well,
but
I don't think the
why not?
site is even live yet, so that might be a next Monday thing.
Mm.
But let's try it. Let's do it. Let's connect.
Can you reshare your
Oh
screen? I
man,
think it decided to
gotta
stop
fix that for
again.
next time.
The stream yesterday. Yeah.
Okay, good to know. Wait, I already have a store though. Oh, a
Uh,
Printify store. Okay. Haven't I done
oh
this?
no.
Oh, it's
Okay.
already I'm not sharing again.
Do you think it's like, oh, now you're about to do something sensitive? Goodbye. Like it
I don't know.
just cuts
I
out.
didn't have this problem yesterday. Maybe my Chrome has been. I need to maybe update Chrome or something.
It does feel like maybe like a memory or yeah, just like
Okay, so something weird is happening though because I have added. I have done this.
disconnect and the
Already got
Printify.
an account. I already did have. I already do have the app.
Yeah, open. Shopify apps are the most finicky thing.
Yeah.
And that was like I had to launch a Shopify app once for uh like an e-commerce search engine.
Yeah.
That was hellish. That I think that was legitimately worse than, submitting to like Apple Store, which is already notorious for like um all the requirements they are putting on the publishers. But it was like Shopify was just not
Maybe
a fun experience.
I may need to go manage app.
But then, oh yeah. And when you open app, does it
That just brings me back to where we just were.
right? Um,
Or, yeah, like here. Maybe
and interesting. And then connect is the whole flow. Okay. But so you are saying you already connected the Shopify store?
I don't know if I actually don't know.
Maybe that's the. What happens if you visit store? Okay, so is the store even up, right? Like, do we have it? Because basically we spin it up on Printify and then we connect it to Shopify is the idea.
Yeah, and then I also don't even know. So like, I don't even know if my store is even connected to like. Let me ask VS Code. Let's see what it actually did for my. Okay, I didn't change much when I asked it to do that stuff, but whatever.
It
How do
basically told you it's already perfect, Brian. All the
yeah.
best practices have been applied.
How do I actually connect this to my online Shopify account? So I actually think I need to upgrade my Shopify account, I think, because I'm pretty sure.
That probably is what's happening.
Yeah. Let's
Wait, so when we went with Printify, right, rather than Printful, because Printful
yes.
would not load things.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
So
Wow. It's giving me a lot of steps here.
if you'd rather go back, just like wrap up the design for today and then like dive into this on Monday, I don't mind. I was just getting excited to actually, show
Yeah,
it
yeah.
on the store, show the first design on the store.
Let's get a hoodie up and then we'll do the rest on Monday because I feel like that's going to take like another 30 minutes possibly.
Yeah, sounds good.
Let's get another
Also,
product.
probably there's like something obvious we're missing, like an upgrade, which is not a fun process to watch anyway.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, how do we add a new product?
Maybe from catalog
Yeah,
again.
I want a hoodie.
Yeah, the hooded sweatshirt.
I wish they had a boxy one though. Where do we? Oh, okay. So there only is 8 products.
I guess that's the constraints of like shipping or being able to
Yeah.
ship this globally.
Well, let's go with
The
this
only
guy.
option.
Yeah. All right, we want black. All right. Wish it like rendered the real thing though.
Yeah.
All right, let's do
Screen share.
the.
Screen
Oh,
share is live. Yeah.
yeah. All right, I'm fixing that again. Let's do the league one. I like that one.
Yeah. I like it.
I would wear this actually probably.
It's fun.
It's like a pretty small window to actually place
Print
that.
things. Yeah.
Oh,
But
this is high res. It says.
okay, cool. Cool. Yeah. 264. Okay.
So what's like? All right, we want like how big do we want it? I like really like
I
full.
feel like yeah, we take as much as it. Yeah, that looks pretty good. What do you think?
Yeah, I think so. Should we put like? Do you have that? Do you have the logo of the like text, the banner kind of that says like kilo code? I feel like that could be cool on the back here.
Oh, or just kilo, right? Yeah, I do
Yeah,
have
yeah,
those.
yeah. Like the longer
Uh,
written out one.
yeah. Okay. Yeah, pulling this up.
Okay.
And it also a PNG, I imagine. Okay. Do you want it all right? Not like in white.
I think so. Yeah.
Come on. Okay. Here's the one. Let's see if that is not too big of a file. Okay. Oof, I think my Chrome is also having a hard time.
Come on, Chrome.
Okay, there we go. This one.
This is
You
maybe
should
just like a
have.
starting point too. I wonder if there's like a sleeper print on demand thing that is like actually modern, like streetwear vibe quality. You know what I mean? Maybe that's a good business idea in itself.
Yeah. You mean like the design, like the hoodie itself? Like it's a
Yeah, just
little.
like the structure. Like it'd be cool if there was a print on demand that had like really heavyweight cotton with like a boxier cropped look that like looked like not like company merch. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
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 Should we go full? I think that's. Should we go all the way?
Yeah. Do you
Or
want it a
smaller?
little? What if it's like lower? Would that look weird? Like if it's more, what if you align it more to like to the bottom line? I wonder. Yeah, that is weird. It's like the end of your chest,
This
the
is
bottom of
almost
your
like
chest.
the name on like the back of your jersey or something.
Yeah, a little bit.
That's
Oh, then the hood will cover it. This is so funny.
that looks pretty big. I feel like should it
We could go smaller.
be?
We
Yeah,
could go smaller. And maybe the back one slightly lower, so then the
yeah,
hood, because the hood like it doesn't cover it all the way. It's a little weird.
sure.
Yeah.
That's pretty good.
Yeah. That's good. Is it the center one that makes it weird? Like the fact that it is in the center?
Yeah, maybe. Should it be on the upper line or like
Mm.
where the
Or
bottom or
more
where?
like the yeah, like more to the side, it feels like. Yeah, it's just that left corner.
Oh yeah, that looks kind of big for a corner logo though, right? Like doesn't have to be like. I feel like also this mock-up thing is like not accurate to how it looks on the person. Like that looks really small, but I feel like it's gonna look
Ooh,
maybe like
yeah. And then maybe slightly bigger.
yeah.
Yeah, let's see. Yeah, I kind of like it. Yeah, it's like
Maybe like a little
some.
lower. Hmm. What do you
Mm.
think?
Maybe I would
Something's
go.
off, right?
Something is off a little bit. I would go back higher. Oh no, it cut out again. But
Yeah. Okay, higher.
just to that, yeah, that line. And I feel like it's a pretty good size. It's like, yeah, no, yeah, well, it's legit. It's
I think
someone's
it
like
looks right.
actually put a sticker on
Yeah.
on a hoodie.
All right. Well, let's save it for now because it's 5. We'll pick it up on Monday. Um,
Yeah.
but yeah, thanks, Alessia. Appreciate the help. I'll call you on next time, maybe too, if we're not done. And thanks everyone for joining. I'm gonna do the next one on Monday evening, and I'll send a reminder when that one's going live. So appreciate everyone tuning in, and have a good weekend. Talk to you soon.
Have a good one. Bye.